Well, it has been raining for a day and a half and it is rising. Juno, I have never seen this in my holy cow. 11 years I've been here. This, I can't even see the ditch anymore. This is crazy. Juno, what is going on? Even he's looking at it wondering what's happening. And all the ducks are back there trying hard not to get sucked in by the drain that's right there, which normally you can see fully, and now you can't see it at all. This is crazy. Look at the little ducks. Swim, duckies. Juno wants to go and get them. Come on, buddy. And then this. Look at this. Ow, easy, Juno. Oh, we can't go through here, Juno. Oh, can't walk through that. This guy's house is going to be in big trouble. Ay, ay, ay. Juno, we can't go this way, bud. Road's flooded. Come on, let's go this way. Holy cow. Juno's having fun. Although he's going to be a dirty mess when we get back home. Let's slow down because there's cars coming and I don't feel like getting splashed. Wow. This is crazy. And it is supposed to rain all night long. And tomorrow the temperatures are supposed to dip to -7 Celsius, which means everything is going to freeze. So, Juno, what's up, buddy? All right, well, this is what's going on in my neck of the woods. Fun times. Talk to you guys soon. Back from our walk and soaking wet. Hey, mister, where's your towel? Hey? You wrapped up in a towel because you're all wet. You're soaking wet. You're such a good boy, though. Just sitting there waiting for Mama to clean your paws. Hey? Hey? Oh, you're so wet. Oh, puppy. What's the matter? Did you go for a walk and get wet? Huh? Did you? Yeah, you need to get dried off, don't ya? Hey? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's dry you off. Who's your good boy? Where's your blankie? Is that it? Juno, where is it? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Juno. Okay. Juno. You have destroyed this poor blanket. There's holes all in it, bud. Here, watch out. Hold on. Hey. Okay, then I'll take this. You don't want this? Okay. What if I take this? Is this your bone? Is there stuff in it? Yep, there is. There's a treat in there. You can't get it, can you? Here. You want the treat that's inside? Look, Mommy's fingers are covered in paint. Can you get it? Here. You can't get it, can you? Peekaboo. Where is it? Juno, where's the treat? Juno, where's your bone? Yeah, here's your bone. Hey, handsome boy. Handsome boy. Juno, can you say bye? Can you say bye? Can I get you a new treat? And get you a treat in your bone? You want a treat? Yeah. I love the way you twitch your head like that. You're so funny. Juno, can you say bye? How do you say bye? No? Okay. Bye.